Now, children, stand up. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am okay, thank you. Take your seats. Now, who is absent? Кім жоқ сабақта?
Алситов Саян.
Sayan is absent. Others here. Okay, now let's start our English lesson. Now, what date is it today?
Today is 11th of November.
No.
16.
So, November. What day?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Now, first of all, let's divide into two groups. Now, stand up, come here, and then take one picture. Take one picture. If you take, for example, summer, sit here. Okay? Now, come here, take one picture. Come here. Come here. Now, if you take autumn, sit here. Now, summer group, sit here. Summer. Autumn group, sit here. Autumn, come here. Who is autumn? Autumn group, come here. Sit. Summer, okay. Sit down. Now, let's start our lesson. Now, sit down, Adina. Now, let's check your homework. Now, we have learned about celebration, yes? Holidays. Now, verbs, vocabulary connected with celebration. Now, I have got, now look at me. I have got cards, verbs, and nouns. Now, I give you one to you, and then you should find house, your house. For example, cook, what we cook? Cook meal, and then cook cook eggs, for example. Okay, now you should find your house. Now you have got nouns. Now have what? Verbs. Now stand up and find your house. Зат есімін табамыз мына топтан. Okay, stand up. Find your house. Celebrate. What we celebrate? Find from this group. Мына топтан табамыз. Celebrate. Тойлау. Нені тойлаймыз біз? Жақтан келіп табамыз. Come here, Miri, Madina. Celebrate. Ayşan? Christmas. Celebrate Christmas. Okay. Answer find your house. Answer just tap here. Miri. Okay, find. Miri, make. What we make? Не жасаймыз біз. Okay. Yes, Madina. Make sweets. Make sweets. Okay, stand up. And get what? Find please. Get presents. Okay. Айдосыз? Decorate. Decorate. What we decorate? And street. Decorate the street. Okay. Then sing. Sing a song. Then cook. Cook turkey. Okay, you are right. Then dance the song. Okay. Thank you. Sit down. Very nice. Sit down. Now let's start our new lesson. Open your books on page 58. 58. Open your books on page 58. Now today's theme, the months and the seasons. Open your copybooks and write down. The months and the seasons. Please write down on your copybook. Today's date and this scene. Just it. Now let's watch a video about months and the seasons.
Months of the year. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Seasons. Autumn. Winter. Spring. Summer.
Now, how many seasons are there in a year? How many seasons? Four seasons. Now, look at the board. Repeat after me.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Now, how many months are there? How many months? For example, spring has got 3 months, yes? Every month, every season has got 3 months. There are how many months? 12 months. You are right. Now, repeat after me. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. How many months are there? 12 months. I know, you are right. Now, open your books on page 58 and exercise 1. Complete the names of months. Exercise 1. Please open your copybooks. Write down exercise 1. Copy and then complete the names of months. Жазып шығамыз, аяғы ол. Сіз дәптерге жазып шығамыз. Yeah. January, February, March, That's all? Аяқтадық па? Мадина? That's all? Okay, now look at me. Now I have got assessment sheet. Бағалау парағы, yeah? Now you should, if you answer the question, сұрақтарға жауап берсек, yeah? Put here tick. Tick, okay? Жауап берген сайын әрбір жауапқа tick қоя береміз. Төменнен бастаймыз, бірден бастаймыз, yeah? Okay? Сабақ аяқталғанша үйренеміз. Үшін put tick. Now look at the board. Let's play a game. What season am I? What season am I? Now look at the board. Look at the board. Now, what season is it? How do you think? What season is it?
Winter.
Who answered?
Spring.
Marilo, it's. You are right. It's winter. It's winter. The next.
Summer.
What season is it?
Spring.
Spring?
Also
Summer?
spring.
Now let's check.
Spring.
It's spring. Кім жауап береді, балдар? Assessment sheet put tick, okay? It's
It's
summer. Okay, let's check. Autumn. It's autumn. The next.
My teacher.
Okay, go sir.
Summer.
Okay, you are right, go sir. It's summer. Now look at autumn. Autumn. Yes, you are right. Thank you. Sit down. The next.
My teacher.
Ay hanım.
Summer.
Summer. It's spring. It's spring. Okay, Nurşat. What season is it?
She's summer.
It's summer. It's winter. No, that's all. Now, how many seasons are there? How many seasons are there in a year? How many seasons? 4 seasons. Yes, what are they?
Spring.
Idols. Stand up. How many seasons are there in a year?
4.
What are they?
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Winter. Okay, very nice. Alright, sit down. Madina, how many seasons are there in a year?
4.
4. What are they?
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Okay, you are right. Thank you. Sit down. Now, boys and girls, I have got questions for you, for everybody. Now, questions, and I have got nomination card. Nomination card. If you take this card, for example, ask the person on your left. If you take this card, ask the person on the right. Okay? You ask these questions. Okay? Now, I have this question for you. I know. Hanım for you, Nursat, Madina. Bye. All of you have got questions. Now, start from this group. I have. Take one this card. Ask the second person on the right. Second person, who is it? Miras. Ask from Miras.
When do leaves fall?
Please listen. Keep silent. Arelo. Listen. Repeat.
When do leaves fall from the trees?
When do leaves fall from the trees? Leaves from the trees fall down. When is it? In what season? The leaves are yellow and they fall down. What season is it? Who can answer? Autumn. Ayhanım, you are right. Autumn. Miras. In autumn, leaves fall from the trees. Kız diyor, ne diye yapraklar istiyor? Fall down. Жерге түседі. Okay. Now I know. Ask the person opposite. Opposite. Who is it? Madina. Ask.
When is Christmas?
Christmas. When is Christmas? When is Christmas holiday celebration? When is it? Who can help? Who can answer? Summer. Now second group. Listen. When is Christmas? Winter. In winter. Okay, sit down. Ayhan.
Ask the person opposite you.
Ask person opposite you. Who is it? Muhtas. Ask.
What is the first month of the year?
What is the first month of the year? No, months. What is the first month?
Winter.
It's
Winter.
months.
Summer.
Ayhanım. What month is it?
January.
January. January is the first month. Birinci ay ya January. Okay, sit down. Nefes. Evet, fırsat.
Ask the person on your right.
On your right. Who is it?
When is it snowy?
When is it snow?
Winter.
In winter. Okay, you are right. Madina.
Ask the two person on you left.
On your left. Left deganimiz qaysi? Left deganimiz sol jaq, ya? Kimdan so'raysiz unda? Aha, Muhtasdan.
When is now with days?
When is New Year? New Year. When is New Year? January. Okay, in winter. Yes. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Yes.
Ask
Random person. Ya, kalaukan adam. Kimnya seorang gitu? Ayo, misas.
what month is in
Silent. What month is it now? What month is it now? What month is it now? Months. Is it September? No?
is spring.
No, months. Now, hazır. What month is it now?
Autumn.
It's November. You are right. Sit down. Okay, now second group. Now, Madina, start. Be quick. Tez jawab berген. Random person. Biz kelgan kimni so'raymiz? Kasar? Okay. When is Midsummer Day? Listen.
Midsummer is Jan.
Midsummer Day is June. In June. Okay, Kasar. You are right. Arel.
Where does it snow? It snow in winter.
In winter. Okay. Answer. Left.
Answer on your left.
What? Ask to Miri.
What is the 8th month of the year?
What is the 8th month of the year? 8th month is it September? 8th month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 8th month is August. August. Now Miri, take one. Ask.
Ask the third person on your left.
On your left. Who is it? Aidos.
When do we wear sunglasses and a hat?
When do you wear sunglasses and a hat? There was this hot.
Summer.
It's summer. Summer, Aidos. You are right. Next question.
Brooks, paper, scissors, ask the winner.
Ask the winner. Now, rock, paper, scissors. Now, please do. No, қалған жасаймыз. No. Rock, paper, scissors. Қазір сен жасамайсың, не? Who is the winner? Кім жеңді? Айдос?
Жоқ, Айдос ұтылып қалды. Ей, Мадина да ұтылып қалды.
Who is the winner? Miri? Miri? Okay, ask to Miri.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
Birthday?
In summer. Okay, in what month? June? In June? Okay. You are right, thank you. Aidos.
Ask him.
When the wear gloves are sharp and hard.
When do you wear scarves, hat? Winter. It's cold. In winter. Okay. You are right.
When is it summer and where?
When is it sunny and warm? Sunny and warm. Қайсы күн шуақты жылы болады?
Summer.
In summer and in spring. Көктемде де күн жоқ. Жылы болады, иә? Кім арай алдың ба сен? Okay. Now, thank you. You are right. Now, look at me. The next task, the next task. Boys and girls, look at me. Look at me. I have got this task for you. You should work in groups. Okay? With your group. Now months and the seasons in a year. You should write here months. Every season has got 3 months. Yes, you should write here and draw a picture. Draw seasons. Now you should write all of them. Барлығын жазамыз, иә? Please work together.
кәдімгі с сияқты. Да, ақша саламыз. Сен келесі жазасың деген.
Жылдың атын жазу керек сияқты.
Ей, сурет саламын.
Мен саламын, мен жаздым. Мен жаздым, соңына мен жаздым.
Суретін саламыз.
Жазғыларда.
Қазанның ортасына сурет саламыз.
Сурет сала берейін ме? Өзім жасағанмын.
Мен соғысайын. Қате сағыз. Айым ше. Ей, шына болмады. Болай аңсары. Осында кәдімгідей ағаштың естесін.
Әке, мен салайын. Мен салайын. Қалан үшін болды. Алып.
Мен саласың. Нарынжы мей ма?
Ағашты салып Қалбаса қояды. Қоғана мені қоғырма. Тауын астында не бар? Жасылмайсың, перезор. Ой, жасыл кетті ол. Жасылмайна мен тауытынан болды. Мен бәді асылдадық. Қарабес. Мен жасыл. Оян ол мен жасыл. Қай жасыл?
мен жақында болсаң не болады?
болды
Қандай болады?
Okay. Now that's all. Boys and girls. Now from this group, come here once. Now, listen.
This is for seasons. It is winter, spring, summer, autumn.
What are the winter months?
December, January, and February.
Autumn months?
September, October, November.
November.
Spring months are March, April, May.
May.
Summer, July, August.
And then August. Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Sit down. Now take coins, please. Put here. Now second group. Now listen. Listen, boys and girls. I don't know. Sit down. Listen.
4 seasons, winter, autumn, spring, and summer.
What are the winter months?
December, January, February, October, November, September, October, November. Spring, March, April, May.
March, April, May.
Summer months,
Months. June, June, July, August. August. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Sit down. Now, Kausar, put the coins. Now, boys and girls, the next task, look at me. The next task, this season, use the words, please listen. Listen, look at me. Look at me, listen. I don't sit down. Use the words in the box below to complete the sentence about the seasons. Now, there are words in the box. You should write here. Complete the sentence with these words. Okay? Do you understand? Ayhanım, what should you do? İstiyoruz ki? We should complete the sentence with these words. Yes? Now it's pair work. For example, Aynur and Dayalı. Nursas and Ayhanım. You please. It's pair work. Now, let's check. Ayhanım, start. The first sentence. Now listen. Ayhanım. The first sentence. Read. Бірінші сөйлемді оқимыз.
It is hot in summer.
Okay, nice. Sit down. Thank you. Aynur. The leaves
The leaves transforming
in Yapraklar түсін өзгертеді дейді. Change in autumn. Okay, you are right. Kausar, this word. Read the third sentence. Üçüncü söylemde oku.
winter. It is cold in winter.
It's cold in winter. You are right. Kausar, sit down. Answer. The fourth.
Flowers start to grow in spring.
Flowers start to grow in spring. You are right. Answer. Aydos, the fifth. Brightly summer. Okay, Aydos, you are right. The next sixth. Madina. The blows in winter. Autumn. Wind. Yes, wind. Okay, the next seventh. Ayaru. Seventh. Read. It's cold in winter. Okay, now you are right. That's all. That's all, boys and girls. Now please take stickers. And write down its reflection. Write down your opinion about this lesson. Sabah туралы не түсіндік, не түсінбедік жазамыз. And then stick here. Okay? Okay, you may write in class. Now please go and stick there. down. Very nice. Now, look at your assessment sheet. Бағалау парағымызға қарайықшы, барлығымыз белгіледік па? Атымызды жазып, артына береміз.
Артына жазамын.
Yeah, атымызды жазамыз. Write your names. Yes. Now give me your assessment sheet. Now give me your assessment sheet. Yes. Now your homework, exercise 6 on page 58. Now describe what you do in different months. Әр айда сен не істейсің? Сөйлем құрап жазып келеміз. Түсінікті ма? Exercise 6 on page 58. Now that's all. Thank you, boys and the girls. Today's lesson is over. Goodbye.
Goodbye.